Hey guys, my name is Manish and welcome back to a brand new week, a brand new episode, and a brand new day with all the latest, most updated news about your favorite celebrities. Before I kickstart today's show, I do want to remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute by minute updates about your favorite stars. And on that note, here are our top stories. Salman Khan turned 55. Katrina and Jacqueline extend special birthday greetings. Newlywed Gauhar Khan bumps into ex-boyfriend Kushal Tandon on a flight. Akshay Kumar gears up for shoot for Bachchan Pandey from 6th of January. Lovebirds Malaika and Arjun are holidaying together in Goa. Rhea Chakrabarti's lawyer says that CBI should make its findings public. Fans can't keep calm क्योंकि it's भाईजान का birthday. Salman Khan turned a whole year older, and the superstar, who continues to be one of the biggest names in Bollywood, had a low-key celebration with just his family at their farmhouse in Panvel. Salman Khan has been busy shooting for the film Antim and the reality show he hosts, which features other celebrities who remain captive in a home. The actor has now taken a break till the new year begins to spend time on his farm and spend the Christmas and New Year break with his family. The actor has also requested his fans not to gather outside his home in Bandra, keeping social distancing related concerns in mind. But that didn't stop colleagues from within the industry and of course his fans from wishing him on social media and sending lots of love and good wishes his way. Take a look. Salman Khan turns 55 this year, and the actor is enjoying some quiet time with his family away from the city. The actor did a cake cutting with the media who had gathered outside his Panvel farmhouse, but shared that given how difficult this year has been for everyone, वो किसी भी celebration के mood में नहीं थे. सलमान ने मीडिया से बात करते हुए कहा,
इस बार कुछ बर्थडे का कोई सेलिब्रेशन है नहीं, सिर्फ परिवार ही यहाँ पर है. सिर्फ परिवार ही यहाँ पर है, कोई नहीं है यहाँ पर. और वैसे हमें इस बार कुछ करना भी नहीं था क्योंकि ये साल सबके लिए बहुत ख़राब गुजरा है और सब बहुत डिफ़िकल्टीज़ में रहे हैं, तो ये इस बार सेलिब्रेशन बनता है नहीं. होपफुली के सब अगले साल ठीक हो जाए और क्रिसमस और न्यू ईयर हम सब के लिए बहुत अच्छा साबित हो और अगला साल हमारे लिए, कौन सा साल अगला साल? 2021. अच्छा, ओके. 2021 हमारे सब के लिए बहुत अच्छा हो, आप सब लोगों के लिए, हम सब लोगों के लिए. बस यही है और just hope that everyone is healthy and everyone is happy and safe. और मास्क पहनो और हाथ धो और social distancing रखो.
The star, who lives in Galaxy Apartments in Bandra, had also urged his fans not to gather outside his home like they usually do to wish him on his birthday, and asked them to stay safe and keep social distancing in mind. बट भले ही सलमान अपने फैंस और फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के दोस्तों के साथ इस साल सेलिब्रेट नहीं कर पाए, द एक्टर रिसीव्ड लॉट्स ऑफ लव एंड गुड विशेस फ्रॉम ऑल क्वार्टर्स. कटरीना कैफ, जिनके साथ सलमान की पेयरिंग लोगों को बहुत पसंद आई है, took to social media to wish Salman on his birthday. The diva shared a picture of Salman from his social media timeline and wrote in her post, "Happiest birthday being Salman Khan, to a great human being." In fact, Salman and Katrina's last big screen appearance was opposite each other in Bharat. Jacqueline Fernandez, who was living at Salman Khan's farmhouse during the initial months of the lockdown, also shared a special wish for the actor and posted a picture of the two of them where their faces have been made younger using a special filter. Jackie didn't write any lengthy post. but made sure to drop lots of interesting emojis जिनसे उनके दिल के जज्बात समझ आ गए. Many of Salman's colleagues also wished the star on social media, and actors like Athya Shetty, Ayushmann Khurrana, Sonakshi Sinha, Bhumi Pednekar, Kareena Kapoor Khan, Madhuri Dixit and many others shared pictures and extended their best wishes to the Sultan of Swag on his birthday. हम भी यही आशा करते हैं कि आप स्वस्थ रहे, सफल रहे और 2021 में सारी कंट्रोवर्सी से दूर रहें.
Okay guys, what are the chances? I'm traveling to a destination and I met my sweet old friend who just got married and she's sitting next to me. It was by chance we met. I'm not stalking her. Okay, I'm going to my hometown and she's going for a shoot. But I'm so happy for her. She's looking so pretty. Meet Gauhar Khan.
As she steps into her future as Zaid Darbar's wife, Gauhar Khan encountered a blast from the past when her ex-boyfriend and now friend Kushal Tandon happened to be on the same flight as her.
I'm traveling to a destination and I met my sweet old friend who just got married and she's sitting next to me. It was by chance we met. I'm not stalking her.
Kushal and Gauhar met when they were both participants on a reality show hosted by Salman Khan and then went on to date for quite some time before parting ways amicably. The two have remained friends and often are seen commenting on each other's Insta posts. It's no surprise then that when the two of them bumped into each other unexpectedly, Kushal took the opportunity to personally congratulate Gauhar on her wedding and then perhaps feel a bit sad about his kismat. Take a look. Gauhar Khan may be a Nai Naveli Dulhan, but just days after her wedding, the new Mrs. Darbar was spotted leaving Mumbai for a shoot. Gauhar was clicked by the paparazzi as she departed from the city, but little did Gauhar know कि plane पे उनकी मुलाकात होगी अपने दोस्त से. Gauhar, who is now happily married to beau Zaid Darbar, bumped into ex-boyfriend and now friend Kushal Tandon, who happened to be on the same flight as her, traveling to his hometown. Thankfully, the two are on amicable terms, so the situation didn't become awkward. And Kushal shared a video on his social media page where he congratulated Gauhar on her wedding and added कि उन्हें मौका मिल गया गौहर को personally शादी मुबारक कहने का.
Meet Gauhar Khan.
Oh my God, what a
शायद मुझे आपको असलियत में मुबारकबाद देनी थी.
The two looked genuinely happy to bump into each other and are seen laughing and shaking hands in the video as Kushal complimented her for how beautiful she was looking with her post-marriage glow. But the actor also added an interesting comment at the end of his short clip where he said, "Hi Kismat."
Hi Kismat.
अब ये कमेंट गौहर के साथ किस्मत से हुई मुलाकात की तरफ इशारा था या अपनी किस्मत पे उदासी दैट गौहर अब मैरिड है, ये तो कुशल ही बता सकते हैं. Gauhar though has just had her dream wedding and looked absolutely stunning in all the traditional wedding functions. The actor and her pati Parmeshwar were twinning in ethereal off-white wedding outfits. While Gauhar chose a traditionally embroidered sharara with a veil and heavy jewelry, Zaid looked like a prince in an elegant off-white sherwani. Many members from the film and television fraternity attended the reception, including director Sanjay Leela Bhansali and ace fashion designer Manish Malhotra. Here's wishing the couple a very happy married life, and we hope कि अब उनके जीवन में सब कुशल मंगल ही हो. No puns intended. Akshay Kumar has proven that pandemic or no pandemic, when it comes to shooting quickly and efficiently, he is and always will be the OG Khiladi. After Bell Bottom and Atrangi Ray, the actor is all set to start work on his third film, Bachchan Pandey, which will be filming for a marathon 30 days in Jaisalmer with co-star Kriti Sanon and 100 other cast and crew members. The pandemic and extended lockdown brought all film shoots to a halt, and it is only now that many filmmakers are resuming work on their delayed films after taking all necessary precautions. But leading Bollywood out of uncertain times and into the new normal is none other than Khiladi Akshay Kumar himself, who has not one or two, but at least 4 different films lined up one after the other for filming and release. The actor has travelled from Scotland to Delhi NCR to Agra and will now be in Rajasthan as he works non-stop to catch up on pending work. Take a look. It has been only just a few months since restrictions have been lifted for film shoots to begin, लेकिन अक्षय कुमार already अपनी तीसरी फिल्म पे काम करने की तैयारी में है. Come January, the actor is heading to Jaisalmer to shoot for his next project, Bachchan Pandey, which also stars Arshad Varsi and Kriti Sanon. Shoot begins on the 6th of January and the entire team of over 100 people will be working non-stop for 30 days to complete a marathon schedule for the movie before returning to Mumbai in February. सुनने में आया है that Akshay will be playing a gangster who aspires to be an actor, and what adventures he gets into will form the story of the film. Bachchan Pandey is being directed by Farhad Samji and produced by Sajid Nadiadwala. ये पहली बार है जब अरशद और अक्षय एक साथ एक फिल्म में होंगे. Both the actors have fabulous comic timings, and thanks to their common connection to director Farhad Samji, they are finally going to be in a film together. While Akshay gears up for a new film, he took time out to share a post celebrating the 1-year anniversary of Good News, which released at the end of 2019. The movie, which went on to become a super hit, starred Akshay, Kiara Advani, Kareena Kapoor Khan and Diljit Dosanjh. Sharing a BTS video from the filming of the song Sauda Khara Khara, Akshay wrote, "If I were to describe the year gone by, that's exactly how it would be. Topsy-turvy, with some ups and downs, but eventually we managed to hold on. Hope the coming year brings with it lots of hashtag good news, hashtag 1 year of good news." Kareena, who played Akshay's wife in the movie, also shared a post celebrating the 1-year anniversary of the film's release and wrote, "The biggest blockbuster. Thank you for such wonderful memories. Let's do this again soon. Hashtag good news, hashtag 1 year of good news." Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor एक दूसरे के बिना एक पल नहीं रह सकते. The couple is spending the Christmas and New Year's week in Goa with Malaika's sister Amrita Arora and her family. After keeping their relationship hush-hush for a very long time, Malaika and Arjun finally made their relationship official while they were on vacation in the US last year. Despite comments from detractors about the age difference and the fact that Malaika has a son from her previous relationship, the couple has remained rock solid for quite a few years now and keeps setting couple goals on a regular basis. Take a look. Malaika was married to actor Arbaz Khan for several years, and after her separation from the actor-producer, she started dating Arjun Kapoor, who coincidentally dated Arbaz's sister Arpita several years ago. Malaika and Arjun were often spotted together as they went on romantic dinner dates and spent time as a couple with their friends. But it was only last year that they finally decided कि प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, making their relationship official with an adorable social media post and romantic picture of the two of them together. The much-in-love couple is now celebrating the last week of the year together at a gorgeous pool villa and spending time with Malaika's family that includes her parents, son Arhan and sister Amrita Arora Ladakh with her husband and kids.
Malaika and Amrita have been sharing lots of envy-inducing updates from their luxurious Goan vacation, and it looks like the sisters are enjoying spending time together with their significant others and their kids. Malaika had also shared adorable pictures from her family's Christmas celebrations, where they were all dressed in color-coordinated red outfits and Santa hats. Malaika had captioned her post, "Merry Christmas. I pray for love, peace, good health, and a better tomorrow." Well, here's hoping 2021 does bring better news of a vaccine and a way out of the crisis that we have been caught in. Have a great holiday season, Malaika and Arjun. Rhea Chakrabarti's lawyer Satish Manishinde has welcomed Maharashtra's Home Minister Anil Deshmukh's request to the CBI asking them to make the findings of their investigation public. Mr. Manishinde, who represented Rhea when she was interrogated by the CBI, ED and NCB, has also alleged that the accusations made against Rhea and her family were false.
6 months after the tragic demise of Sushant Singh Rajput, the Indian public still has no clarity about what the CBI has determined in the course of their 4-month-long investigation. The CBI was brought in after political parties got involved and the government allowed the CBI to investigate the actor's demise. The case was transferred from Mumbai police, who came under heavy criticism for not being able to find answers immediately. Sadly, after 4 months of investigation, there still doesn't seem to be any closure for Sushant's family and fans. Take a look.
Sushant Singh Rajput was only 34 when he passed away, and understandably, his demise created shockwaves across India and the entire film fraternity. There were also conspiracy theories and allegations of foul play that further complicated the matter, and the CBI was brought in to shed light on an increasingly murky case. Rhea Chakrabarti, who has claimed to have been Sushant's partner at the time of his demise, was named as the main suspect in an FIR filed by Sushant's family, and the actor was subject to interrogation by multiple agencies and even stayed in jail for a month before finally getting bail. However, the CBI is still to submit its final findings, and now almost 4 months after it was called in to conduct an unbiased investigation, the Home Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Anil Deshmukh, has now asked the central agency for its findings. The minister had said that people around the country are still waiting for answers, and also added that he is frequently asked questions about the status of the case. Welcoming the Home Minister's comments, Rhea's lawyer Satish Manishinde ने कहा है कि जब मुंबई पुलिस को 2 महीने लगे तो लोगों ने तरह तरह के इल्जाम लगाए थे। अब 4 महीने बाद जब सीबीआई अपनी रिपोर्ट नहीं सबमिट कर रही है तो इस बात के लिए उन्हें क्वेश्चन किया जाना चाहिए। The lawyer also added that Rhea was arrested in a bogus case and by various agencies before finally getting bail from the Bombay High Court. Mr. Manishinde ने कहा है that it has been 6 months since Sushant passed away and it is high time that there is closure in the case. He feels कि investigation चाहे कोई भी करे, इससे सुशांत के डिमाइस की सच्चाई बदल नहीं जाएगी. Parallelly, Sushant's sister Shweta Singh Kirti is still continuing her digital campaigns to keeping the memory of her brother alive. She recently launched a #LoveForSSR campaign and urged the late actor's fans to pay tribute to the actor by donating books, food and clothing to the poor and needy or planting a sapling in the memory of the actor. It is unfortunate indeed that so much unpleasantness was caused in the aftermath of Sushant's demise. One can only hope that the divisions that were caused can be healed and members of the film fraternity will work towards creating a more peaceful working environment.
And now it's time for a very quick break on the show, but don't go anywhere. We have a lot more on the other side.
Merry Christmas.
Though they may be at home and not at a holiday destination, but Bollywood celebs made sure to enjoy a low-key but cozy Christmas with family, food and lots of fun.
Usually, Christmas and New Year sees Bollywood celebrities jet-setting to exotic locations in Europe or warm beachside resorts to enjoy the festive season. But this year, with travel restrictions still in place, most B-Town Vasis अपने घरों में ही celebrate कर रहे हैं. Lunches, dinners and intimate get-togethers marked a rather low-profile but still special Christmas this year. Here's how the most happening couples in Tinseltown celebrated Christmas. Check it out.
आगे 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 ये साइड
Ranbir Kapoor was spotted enjoying not one but two Christmas celebrations with his girlfriend Alia Bhatt.
पीछे से थोड़ा आलिया
Alia and Ranbir were spotted posing like two besotted lovebirds at the traditional Kapoor Christmas lunch, and it was adorable to see Ranbir have his arm around Alia in a rare demonstration of affection on social media. The two then had another Christmas celebration hosted by Alia's parents, Suni Razdan and Mahesh Bhatt, jahan Alia's would-be sasural ke Neetu ji, Ridhima Kapoor Sahani and her husband Bharat Sahani were present along with Alia's sister Shaheen Bhatt.
पीछे से थोड़ा आलिया
Deepika has been busy shooting for her next film being directed by Shakun Batra, while Ranveer has been dubbing for Jesh Bhai Jordar and doing lots of late-night live sessions on his social media page as he travels to and from work. But it looks like the power couple took time off to celebrate Christmas together, and Ranveer shared an adorable picture of himself with his wife, whom he rather cutely called his elf. Dressed in a red suit and white shirt with a beautifully decorated tree behind them, Ranveer or Deepika looked very cute and Christmassy as they wished their fans.
Tim, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Saif and Kareena had not one but two Christmas celebrations as they brought in the festive season in Mumbai instead of Gustad this year. The couple hosted a dinner for their friends on Christmas Eve, जहां छोटे नवाब तैमूर फोटो लेने से ज्यादा खाना खाने में इंटरेस्टेड लग रहे थे. Bebo and Saif were also spotted at the traditional Kapoor Christmas lunch, and Kareena looked absolutely stunning in a bright green outfit that complemented her maternity glow and cute baby bump. Priyanka Chopra Jonas and her husband Nick Jonas brought in Christmas in London, where she is shooting for her next film. The couple shared pictures and videos from their cozy Christmas celebrations that included a morning Christmas walk, jahan Priyanka ne pehne Christmas tree wale sunglasses. The couple shared an adorable picture of themselves with their fur baby Diana, who seems to have accompanied her mommy to London. PC also shared pictures of delicious-looking food and her dining table, which was decorated in Christmas colors as the couple celebrated the festival together.
Well, Well, folks, with that, we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood, promising to be back again tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. But in the meanwhile, stay tuned to our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Until then, ciao.